Do you also want to study in Australia लेकिन ट्यूशन फीस और लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस को लेके टेंस्ड हो? Do you think studying in Australia आपके लिए फाइनेंशियली इम्पॉसिबल है? Do you know ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप से आपकी 100% तक ट्यूशन फीस कवर हो सकती है? If your answer is yes, तो don't worry. Watch this video till the end because I'm gonna be covering the top 5 scholarships in Australia for Indian students, including their benefits, eligibility criteria, application deadline, and so on. First up, we have Australian Government Research Training Program (RTP) Stipend Scholarship. ये scholarship specifically designed है for international students who are pursuing higher degree research program in Australia. अब सबसे पहले इसके benefits जान लेते हैं. So in this scholarship, you will receive 36,652 Australian dollar, which is approximately around 20 lakh rupees. ये आपको मिलेंगे annually up to 3 years. साथ ही आपको travel allowance भी मिलता है to cover your international travel expenses. And apart from that, आपको thesis allowance भी मिलता है जो भी आपका research project से related cost होता है वो सब इसके अंडर कवर होता है. You will receive other benefits like dependent child allowance, paid maternity, paternity, and medical leaves. The eligibility of this scholarship is pretty simple. All the students go through a competitive ranking process, and जितने भी top applicants होते हैं उनको select किया जाता है based on their merit. Round 1 of this scholarship closes on 31st August every year, and round 2 की 15th April होती है. तो right now round 2 is open. You can apply. बाकी information के लिए on how to apply आप इनकी official website पर visit कर सकते हो. Now let's talk about Indian $10,000 early acceptance scholarship that is offered by Macquarie University. इस scholarship से आपकी 25% तक tuition fees cover हो जाएगी, which is around 10,000 Australian dollar or we can say 5.46 lakh rupees, and ये आपको per year मिलती है till the duration of your program. This scholarship is perfect for all the talented Indian students जो भी अपना masters या bachelors pursue करना चाहते हैं Macquarie University से. To be eligible for this scholarship, you must have Indian citizenship, and apart from that, आप सभी के पास offer letter होना चाहिए Macquarie University का, and you must have paid the first commencement fee. ये स्कॉलरशिप पूरे साल ओपन रहती है, इसके एप्लीकेशंस यूनिवर्सिटी खुद से ऑटोमेटिकली सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो अगर आपको अप्लाई जाना और डिटेल्स जानी, यू कैन विजिट Macquarie University's वेबसाइट. मूविंग ऑन टू द Monash International Merit Scholarship, also known as Sir John Monash Scholarship for Excellence. If you are planning to study undergraduate program at Monash University, तो ये स्कॉलरशिप आपके लिए बेस्ट रहेगी. बेनिफिट्स की बात करें तो you will receive a total study grant of 50,000 Australian dollar, which is around 27 lakh rupees while you are studying there. Another benefit is that you receive invitation to Monash Mind, जो कि उनका एक leadership development program है. To get this scholarship, you must be an Indian citizen with an offer letter from Monash University. इनका selection criteria is pretty simple. ये आपके academic achievements के basis पे judge करेंगे whether you receive this scholarship or not. इस scholarship का application process पूरा university खुद से handle करती है, तो यहाँ पे केवल 31 awards available होते हैं. Make sure to apply early. For more details, visit Monash University scholarships. And in sub scholarship के अलावा, we at Admitex provide you Launchpad scholarship. That is a guaranteed scholarship of up to rupees 2 lakh. तो इसको अप्लाई करने का तरीका बहुत ही सिंपल है. Just hit the link in the description below. Now let's talk about Vice Chancellor's International Scholarship Scheme, which is provided by University of Sydney. So if you are planning to pursue bachelor's or master's program there, then this is for you. इसमें तुम्हें 40,000 Australian dollars, which is around 21.8 lakh rupees मिलता है for the first year of study. इसके eligibility criteria के लिए you must be an Indian citizen, and apart from that, you must have CRI-COS registered course offer letter from University of Sydney. Application dates आपको स्क्रीन पे विजिबल हैं, तो प्लीज इनके अकॉर्डिंग ही अप्लाई करना. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन विजिट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सिडनी स्कॉलरशिप पेज. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज द मेलबर्न इंटरनेशनल अंडरग्रेजुएट स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम, विच इज ऑफर्ड बाय यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेलबर्न. सो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स अंडरग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, ये स्कॉलरशिप आप सभी के लिए बेस्ट है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपकी 25% तक ट्यूशन फीस कवर अप हो जाती है. फॉर एलिजिबिलिटी, यू मस्ट बी एन इंडियन सिटीजन एंड मस्ट हैव कंप्लीटेड योर प्रीवियस स्टडीज इन इंडिया. Scholarships are offered within 2 weeks from when you receive your offer letter from University of Melbourne. So अगर आप इसका सारी डिटेल्स जानना चाहते हो और अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, then make sure to check out the University of Melbourne scholarship page. So there you have it. These are the top 5 scholarships in Australia for Indian students. एक बात का ध्यान रखना that applying early is the key to securing your spot in these universities. So don't wait till the end moment. So I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button, like कर देना. अगर कोई भी डाउट होता है तो comment section में बता देना. Bye.